Today we're making how to make watermark. Okay, go to IBIS Paint. Wait. So this one didn't work out. I was just trying to make a tutorial, but too bad. Now let's get back. Okay, this thingy popped out, but that's nothing. Let's pick a picture so we can draw on it. Let's pick this one. Okay, cover it up because we won't need that. So go to text. That's where you're gonna make your watermark. Okay, add text. Put anything you like. Not emojis. Oh wait, you can put emojis. Well, put anything. So I'm just gonna put here, please. Wait. Okay. So you see, I put it my I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm gonna pick a font. Okay, let's put this. Let's go. Okay, you can change the size by clicking size. Okay, there. I like doing it a little big. Okay, now we can outline it. I like big. I don't like these ones. Let's change the color. So if I put red, the outline becomes red. So you can put any color. So here you don't gotta do much. It's nothing. Okay. There. So click brush and put any design if you want. With me. We got to remove this delete layer. I click the black one so it can be transparent. Oh, too big. Let's just sprout from that road because it's red.